So I'm now in the Microsoft PowerPoint page, and if you look here for slide preparation and all, the save button is missing here. So for enabling the save button, so you can simply click here. If the save icon is missing, you must take a quick access toolbar, you must open, and from there at the bottom there you can see more commands is there. You must click the more command, and here you can click the save here, and after that you must press this add button. Now you can see that here we have here comes the save, and after that you must press the OK button. Now you can see that the save icon comes here, or you can easily save your presentations by clicking here. And one more simple method I'll say, you must click this quick access toolbar by clicking here, and from there you can see a save is written here. And if you make a mouse click here, then you can see that the save icon, the icon missing is comes there. And after that, by clicking here, you can save your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And you can even use the shortcut, that is pressing the Control key and Escape at the same time for saving of this video. See for more videos, subscribe. Thank you.